Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Changing the screen lock time on your iPhone can help you manage your device battery and security. Follow these simple steps to adjust the auto lock setting on your iPhone. First step is to open the setting app. Then you go to display and brightness. Next is to scroll down and tap on auto lock. The next step is to choose your preferred time. Select the amount of time you want your iPhone to wait before automatically locking the screen. Options range from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, or you can choose never to keep your screen on indefinitely. Next is to confirm your selection. Your selection will be saved automatically. Tap back to return to the previous menu or simply exit the setting app. Adjusting the screen time on your iPhone is a quick and easy way to manage your device screen time out. By following these steps, you can customize the auto lock setting to suit your preference. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.